This place is the realization of one man's dream, where he has gathered a collection of exotic animals and birds into a veritable mini paradise. It started in 1966 when Idris Hale, a local builder, purchased Penscynor House and its grounds and embarked on his dream. And who would expect to find a zoo in a mining valley?
What better place than to have a zoo in a natural environment? It's not like other zoos where it's all concrete. It's in a natural environment. So, in my opinion, with running water and a natural environment, it is a natural place to have a zoo.
How did all this begin? How does a builder end up running a zoo?
I was born within half a mile of this park. I stole apples from here as a child and never dreamed, of course, that I would ever own this. And I went to Miami and I saw what we call parrot jungle. And I thought, I wonder could I open a place like that in Wales? Within 3 weeks of coming back to Wales after the holiday, I saw Penscynor House was for sale.
Over the years, Penscynor has grown in popularity as more attractions have been added. There's something here for everyone.
I would say we are one of the zoos that is making money. There are many not making money because they have not done this sort of thing, try to attract people other than animal and bird lovers.
Idris Hale started this as his hobby, but a chance remark changed his mind.
Well, I always remember the day when we opened it to charity and there were two elderly ladies walked in front of me and one said to the other, why should one man possess all this? And that stuck in my mind. So we said to ourselves, well, what are we going to do? So we opened it to the public. And ever since then, it's been a great success.